Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open PSD file online using Photopea. It's really simple and easy. So as you can see, this is our Photoshop file. If you want to open PSD file online without Adobe Photoshop, we can use Photopea. Now go to your internet browser and search for Photopea, and you can use this online photo editor. Now if you want to open PSD file, you can go to this file, go to this open, and locate your PSD file and then select it and click on this open here. Or what else you can do is go to your PSD file and you can easily drag and drop as well here, and it will open your PSD file in Photopea. You can go to your layers, or you can find all the layers created in Photoshop, and you can easily change the text or color, or you can do any editing in Photopea as well. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to open PSD file online using Photopea. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.